How are you? Hope you're fine now. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm talking about the future plan of the Chainlink. What's the future plan? Is it the future? The price will pump, the price will jump. So, guys, let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about Chainlink, guys. So guys, now the currently live price changes occur in the Chainlink and the market is completely going crazy the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. Changes occur in the Chainlink is completely going wrong. The price is very badly decreased. But guys, that's not me. Then you decide to sell. No, never decide to sell. Guys, you know what, guys? That is the common rule of the cryptocurrencies market, that the price sometime pump, sometime dump. You already know about that, guys. But now about the Chainlink, it is a bad time of Chainlink, but it's not me. Then you decide to sell. No. Never do this mistake. Just hold for a long time. Now the currently live price of the Chainlink in the market is 25.07 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Chainlink in the market. Now other side, if you look the price chart of the Chainlink, so you can see here absolutely from the July. From the 24-20 July, the Chainlink start pumping, and still the currently situation of the Chainlink is going wrong for some time. You can see here, but otherwise, if you look the previous time period, so the previous time period is completely going bad, and now the latest situation, I think, from yesterday, the change is completely going wrong. But that's not me. Then you decide to sell, just hold for a long time. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and my technical analysis that tells us that now it is the first time, but after 1 week, after 4 days, the price will again pump. Possibilities, guys. That is the future plan of the Chainlink on the basis of my technical analysis. Hope you like this video. Click the subscribe for more updates and news videos.